My name is Prabhjot Singh. I am a third year undergraduate student of the Department of Geology and Geophysics, enrolled in its integrated MSc course of Applied Geology. I am a boarder of Lal Bahadur Shastri Hall of Residence. I am from Mohali. I am contesting for the post of Vice President, Technology Students Gymkhana, Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur for the academic session 2022-2023.
Brahmjot, do you want to use your religious symbol to sway our votes? Do you want to use your religious symbols to sway away votes? Do you want to use your religious symbols to sway our votes?
Sir, I am very disheartened that the panelists have made such baseless remarks on my religious beliefs.
Hello.
I believe that the Society of Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur is progressive enough to rise above these conventions and let students come forward. I aspire to have a vision for Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur where the community is progressive enough to rise above and provide equal opportunity to everyone.
Brahmjot, you proudly mentioned the name of your department. Tell me, your department hosts 2 Department of Science and Technology national facilities. Kindly name them and don't say that you are not aware of that, because you should be aware of the research facilities in your department. The 2 DST, kindly name the 2 DST national facilities of your department, Department of Geology and Geophysics.
Panelists, the answer is up to the candidate. Kindly ask only the question.
I'll repeat the question. Your department hosts 2 DST national facilities. Name them. DST national facilities.
Sir, I believe that the general body is here to witness my statement of purpose, and the details that you want to know, please feel free.
Brahmjot, I asked you about your
after my
department.
statement of purpose so that I can clarify any of your doubts.
Brahmjot, this was a basic question about your department. You don't even know about your department.
Panelists, go ahead with your question.
Brahmjot, you proudly mentioned Lal Bahadur Shastri Hall of Residence in your introduction, right? So, as a third year and the VP candidate of that hall, did you ensure from your end that the program which was given by the administration for the assimilation program was followed in your hall of residence? Can you give this in writing to the entire general body that this nothing wrong happened in the assimilation program at LBS Hall of Residence?
Sir, I request the panel to be audible enough and speak a bit louder.
Then I ask your hall residents to be silent for you to listen my question. Don't disrespect the panelists.
Sir,
Audience!
kindly please be a bit louder.
Can you please? I ask the boarders of Lal Bahadur Shastri Hall of Residence to remain silent. ब्रह्मजोत आगे आजा भाई, तेरे को नहीं सुनाई दे रहा तो. Brahmjot, you are a boarder of LBS Hall of Residence. You are their VP candidate. I just wanted to know that did you on your part ensured the official assimilation program was followed inside LBS Hall of Residence? And if you did, can you give it in writing that you did it on your part and it will be verified by the general body after the soapbox?
Sir, our hall president and the second Senate member conducted the assimilation programs as per the guidelines laid by the institute.
Brahmjot, the postgraduate students of LBS Hall were shifted to other halls in the year 2014. What was the reason for the same? Brahmjot, the postgraduate students of LBS Hall were shifted to other halls in the year 2014. What was the reason for the same?
Ma'am, the postgraduate students that were shifted to other halls of residence from Lal Bahadur Shastri Hall of Residence were solely to accommodate more undergraduate students into the Hall of Residence.
Do you not want PG students in LBS Hall of Residence?
Do you not want PG students in LBS Hall of Residence? जवाब दे. Do you not want PG students in your LBS Hall of Residence?
Sir, Lal Bahadur Shastri Hall of Residence accounts for each and every boarder who resides within the Hall of Residence, and all the students, be it undergraduate, postgraduate or research scholars, are very much involved in all the activities organized by Lal Bahadur Shastri Hall of Residence.
Brahmjot, in the whole day of Sister Nivedita Hall of Residence, you were asked a simple question to state your weaknesses. And you said, quote unquote, you tend to take more responsibility than your capabilities. Are you even capable to take up the responsibility of the Vice President, which is the most prominent student position? If you fail, your responsibility is much larger than if you don't participate. And please do not deny the fact, I can even state the room number and the person who asked this question. And please
Sir.
stop your freaky smile.
Sir, it really disheartens me how the panelists are manipulating the statements and presenting in front of the general body to mislead the general body. This statement has never been made by me, and the panelists are merely misleading the general body in front of the public platform.
Brahmjot, in your introduction, you mentioned your department. Are you able to listen? It is audible, right? Okay. So, in your intro, you mentioned your department. Can you tell me the names of your faculty advisor and your right head of department, along with the research areas and interest?
Sir, my faculty advisor is Professor Prugaka Kumar Parigrahi, and the head of the Department of Geology and Geophysics is Professor Shashi Prakash Sharma.
Area of research is also asked.
No follow-ups.
Area of research is also
No
asked.
follow-ups.
Follow-up.
No
It's not a
follow-up.
follow-up. My question is not answered. It's not a follow-up. He's not answering my question. He's running away.
Panelists don't make personal comments on the candidates. Are you willing to take the question? Yeah? Take up.
Sir, if you are more interested in getting to know about the research works in the field of geology and geophysics, we can have the discussion after the soapbox.
Next question.
of the current and past hall presidents of your hall? Brahmjot, please tell me the name of the current and the past hall presidents and SSM of your hall.
Ma'am, the current hall president of Lal Bahadur Shastri Hall of Residence is Mr. Kshitij Prasad, and the second Senate member of Lal Bahadur Shastri Hall of Residence is Mr. Nitin Kohli. The past hall president of Lal Bahadur Shastri Hall of Residence in the academic year 2020-2021 was Mr. A.N. Dinesh Chandra, and the second Senate member was Mr. Ashwin Gupta.
Brahmjot, you have mentioned your hometown in your... Hello. Brahmjot, you have mentioned your hometown in your introduction. Can you tell us why are you so proud on your hometown?
Sir, I have spent more than 18 years of my life staying in Mohali. The very culture and heritage of Mohali has shaped me up into the individual that I am today. It has shaped my personality in a very unique way, and that is why I am proud and have mentioned my hometown in my introduction.
Brahmjot, if you're saying that your hometown has shaped your personality, then why have you not used the name of your parents in your introduction? Does they have no impact on your personality?
Sir, one's introduction varies from the set of audience that one is addressing. At this point of time, during my statement of purpose, I am addressing the general body for my candidature of the post of Vice President, Technology Student Khana, Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, and hence I believe that the information that I furnished is the relevant one.
Brahmjot, can you say the motto of the LBS and the meaning of it?
Sir, I proudly say that the motto of Lal Bahadur Shastri Hall of Residence is Shastriya Tejaswin Mahateja.
You can move ahead with your statement of purpose.
नस नस में तेज प्रवाह लिए कुछ और नया उत्साह लिए वैभव विलास की चाह नहीं अपनी कोई परवाह नहीं मानव जब जोर लगाता है पत्थर पानी बन जाता है. These lines from Rashmirathi by Shri Ram Dhari Singh Dinkar have always inculcated a zeal to serve the student community and always in any sort of hardships that may come along the path. Indeed, the hybrid form of campus experience has made the lives of all of us harder. And my candidature for the post of Vice President, Technology Students Gymkhana, Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, for the academic session 2022-2023 is all about putting efforts, especially when times are tough. Our institute has more students than any other Indian institute of technology. But what really makes us large is the opportunities that Kharagpur gives us, be it through the numerous courses we have or a plethora of extra academic activities that one can be a part of. It is through these activities that we discover ourselves, grow, and lead the society to better times. It is the spirit of our esteemed institution that binds us together in spite of our differences and helps us focus our eyes not on what is seen but on what is unseen. It is the very same spirit that continues to inspire me and motivate me every day to lead the vibrant student community of Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, from the very front, from the very first year. It is the same spirit that has shaped me into the individual that I am today, leading by example, an effective team player who keeps in mind the best interests of everyone, and an avid multitasker that never shies away from multitasking and handling difficult situations at whatever the circumstances be. As a person who is unafraid to take up the next big challenge, I was involved in numerous activities at Lal Bahadur Shastri Hall of Residence. In my first year, I was a wing representative acting as a nodal point between 36 members of my wing and the hall council. I was also a member of the mess committee monitoring the mess related issues raised by the boarders of our hall. I was also a part of the illumination and the guest reception team of Lal Bahadur Shastri Hall of Residence in the academic session 2020, 2019, 2020. I was also a member of the silver winning ad design team of Lal Bahadur Shastri Hall of Residence in the General Championship Technology during the academic session 2019-2020. I was also a member of the state play team which secured the third runner-up position in the General Championship Social and Cultural Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur in the academic session 2019-2020. I was also a member of the aquatics team of Lal Bahadur Shastri Hall of Residence. These experiences have reinforced the conviction that I am always ready to take up new challenges and excel at whatever position I hold. In my second year, I was appointed as the literary secretary at Lal Bahadur Shastri Hall of Residence, where I conducted knowledge sessions and practice sessions for the budding talent of Shastriyans. Apart from my involvements at Lal Bahadur Shastri Hall of Residence, I was also a part of Students Alumni Cell, Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur. And in my second year tenure, I was responsible for conducting various events and initiatives along with my team under the guidance of Professor Jayanta Mukhopadhyay, Dean Outreach, Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur. Our team worked on various portfolios, one of them being the Affinity Program, where I and my team members were in touch with numerous multinational companies and brought the Headspace subscription program for the students during the stressful time of COVID-19. These experiences honed my negotiation and persuasion skills, and I am confident even to face any sort of inflexible decision-making skills.
Let the
At this
candidate put forward
point,
a statement of
I-
purpose. Audience, let the candidate put forward a statement of purpose.
As a member of Students Alumni Cell, the Headspace subscription program that we brought in benefit more than 600 students during the pandemic time. Apart from that, I and my team organized the Leadership Summit that saw a footfall of 500 plus members and showcased a panel of 12 esteemed alumni, some of them being Dr. Davuri Subbarao, former governor, Reserve Bank of India, along with many others. Under this event, we saw a participation of more than 500 students, and I personally took the initiative of bringing media partners and raising cash sponsorship for the event. All these involvements at Lal Bahadur Shastri Hall of Residence and Students Alumni Cell, Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, have helped me develop as a team player, where I have taken steps to serve the community, and I'm confident enough that I have honed and developed a goal-oriented mindset wherein I'm eager to take up new initiatives and see them through completion. Apart from my extra academic activities, I have also worked as a machine learning intern at Neilsoft and a database management intern at Sortizy during the summer of 2020. I have also been awarded with summer internship opportunities at the National University of Singapore and Teflon School of Business at the University of Ottawa for the upcoming summers. The part of my life that I have spent at Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, will be cherished throughout my life, and I have achieved a lot and inculcated many new skills that have put forward me the sense of ownership to serve the community of Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur. I would like to conclude my statement of purpose with a pledge that I will be working tirelessly with the Institute administration for the welfare of our institute and take firm stand for the student community through thick and thin. I will stick to the motto of our beloved institute, Yoga Karmasu Kaushalam. Thank you.
Amjad, give a brief about the Headspace program and how it helped student community that you have mentioned.
Sir, under the Headspace subscription program, and along my team approached the Headspace, which is an American multinational company, aims at helping well-being of individual. We provided the free subscription to the students for a period of 9 months during the stressful time of COVID-19 in order to ensure the mental well-being of the student community of Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur.
Brahmjot, mention few responsibilities you have under the coordinator at SAC.
Ma'am, as a coordinator at Students Alumni Cell, I was responsible along with my team to coordinate with the Institute administration and lead a team of 35 members. We organized the 18th annual alumni meet. after a gap of 2 long years, irrespective of the challenges amidst the ongoing COVID pandemic, and saw a participation of 150 alumni of across the country. Apart from that, we also conducted various events and initiatives ranging from various pillars of alumni networking to event management.
Ramjot, a few days back, there was a questionnaire asked from the side of a student media body, the Scholars Avenue. On their recent post, they have clearly mentioned that you responded them late despite multiple follow-ups and multiple requests. This shows that you are incompetent with your work and you don't bother to answer to student bodies. Why should anyone vote for you?
Thank you for your question, ma'am. Thank you for your question, ma'am. One can be considered late if there is a set deadline for completion of the task. In this incident, there was no deadline given by the Scholars Avenue in the very first place, and I was also involved in shaping myself to the best fit candidate for the position of Vice President, Technology Students Gymkhana.
Ramjot, please
And
don't lie.
Let me complete my answer, ma'am. Let me complete my answer. Please have some patience. Ma'am, and I would request the Scholars Avenue through this public platform to act a bit more responsibly and to set proper deadlines and ensure smooth functioning and avoid such ruckus.
It is sad to see that you're already doing blame games, but anyway, it is very clear that there was a deadline and students wanted to know about the candidate. You missed that deadline, and instead of taking responsibility for that, you are making excuses in a public forum. Why should we accept you as a candidate?
Ma'am, please don't lay any false allegations. Please don't lay any false allegations to mislead the general body. There was no deadline officially communicated by any
Brahmjot,
of
why
the
are you shouting
members
for once?
of
Why are you shouting,
the
Brahmjot?
Scholars Avenue.
Why are you shouting?
Yes. Only questions from panelists. Only panelists from... Only questions.
Brahmjot, as the VP candidate, I expect you to be aware of some. I would request the students to please be a bit quiet. Please be a bit quiet. I have a question. I have a genuine question. Brahmjot, being the VP candidate, I expect you to be aware of the recent incidents which are happening. On 27th of March, the Honorable Governor of West Bengal visited IIT Kharagpur for the inauguration of supercomputer Param Shakti. Please let me know the Param Shakti machine is deployed under which Indian government mission? The name of the mission I want to know.
Sir, I believe that the general body is here to witness my statement of purpose and not to know about supercomputers.
I have a
Let me complete my answer, sir. Let me complete my answer. Please have some patience. And I believe that if we want to discuss about this topic, the soapbox is not the relevant platform, and we can have the discussion after my statement of purpose full-heartedly.
follow up. Brahmjot, you said that you cannot discuss it here. Being the VP candidate, you should be aware of this. How will you defend your casual nature in front of the public platform?
Sir.
Brahmjot, don't deny this fact.
Sir.
Let me complete the question. You should have been aware of this.
Sure, sir. Complete your question.
Being the VP candidate, you should have been aware of this information. How will you defend this casual nature of yours being candidate for the Vice President of Technology at Gymkhana?
Sir, I never
No personal
mentioned
comments, only
that
questions,
I am
only
not
questions.
aware of this thing, and I request the panelists to refrain themselves from interpreting and misleading the general body.
If you
I just mentioned that this is not the right time to discuss this issue because the general body is here to witness my
Only one
statement of
follow-up.
purpose.
One follow-up.
Follow.
One
Brahmjot,
follow-up.
you said that you are aware
You
of
need
it.
not answer.
Then kindly name that. Kindly name that if you are aware of it.
You need not
Kindly
answer.
name it.
Sir,
Did not
I
answer.
respect the
Kindly
time of
name
the
answer.
general body and I don't want to waste the time.
I believe your answer has finished, right? I urge the student community to be silent, please. So, Brahmjot, I've been seeing you mentioning that you care about the mental well-being of the entire student community to the extent that you made wing representatives, right? So, what's your take on the present DC case which is being made on the present SSM and the ex-SSM of LBS Hall of Residence regarding the ragging which was done inside LBS Hall premises?
Sir, the second Senate member and the hall president of every hall are the representatives of the board of that hall. And I am proud that the second Senate member of Lal Bahadur Shastri Hall of Residence, Mr. Nitin Kohli, and the hall president of our hall, Mr. Kshitij Prasad, along with the other members, have worked tirelessly for the welfare of the student community. And I refrain the panelists to defame the name of the student representatives in this public platform.
Hey Brahmajot. So in your SOP, you clearly stated about corporate engagement. So can you tell me a single corporate engagement?
Just a sec. Before moving to the next question, I also request panelists to kindly verify your fact before putting forward the questions.
Continue with my question. Hey Brahmajot. You clearly stated about...
Audience,
Listen here.
we'll cancel the statement
I am
of
listening
purpose
to you,
of the
sir.
candidate if this
I
is
am
the
listening
case.
to you, sir. Kindly complete your question.
Audience, everyone, let the candidate complete his statement of purpose.
Brahmajot, you clearly stated about corporate engagement in your SOP, if I'm correct. Can you tell me a single corporate engagement that you rope in your tenure as coordinator in the students alumni cell? A single corporate engagement.
Thank you for your question, sir. As a coordinator at Students Alumni Cell, we have a portfolio by the name of Affinity Program that I mentioned in my statement of purpose, if you have heard about that. Under the Affinity Program, I and my team are in touch with multiple multinational companies, one of them being the HDFC Bank, with which we have recently collaborated. And apart from that, we have also been in touch with other companies such as Bolt Audio and Noise under this particular program as a part of the corporate engagement of Students Alumni Cell.
For your information, SAC has been doing corporate engagements for more than 5 years, but in only 1 year where there has been you as the sponsorship head of SAC were not able to get your major portfolio, that is sponsorship in Alum Cell, approved by the director of ITKGP. If this is the case, how can we expect you to get approval for high-stakes situations from the director of IIT Kharagpur?
Sir, kindly get your facts corrected. It is not that I and my team were not able to get sponsorship. Prior to the decision of our honorable director and the institute administration of not going ahead with corporate association for the 18th annual alumni meet, we were in touch with various companies and we had positive response from companies like OnePlus, Samsung, General Electric and Sennheiser as sponsors for the 18th annual alumni meet. But due to the uncertainty of the prevailing COVID pandemic, the institute administration did not want to go for corporate associations in the 18th annual alumni meet. But in spite of all the obstacles, I am proud that our team and me worked out a way and conducted the 18th annual alumni meet and provided a fulfilling experience to our esteemed alumni who revisited the campus.
Ramjot, you mentioned that you did not get the approval from the director for your portfolio. You did not get an approval in your third year. How do we expect that you will be able to do so when you are a VP? When you have to do it time and again? When you have to do it again and again for the community? Are you not incapable of doing that if you cannot get it done for a single portfolio that you were to hold in your third year?
Sir, the mere fact that we conducted the 18th annual alumni meet despite of the ongoing pandemic, when it was initially scrapped in January, we approached our director, had meetings with him and convinced...
Not the question, you are not answering my question. I want you to answer my question. I want you to answer my question, Ramjot. Do not deviate. Do not deviate. Answer the question that is being asked. Do not deviate.
Should I continue with the answer, sir, if you are complete?
If you are answering my question, you can continue. If you are deviating from the question, you cannot. You can sit down.
Sir, as I mentioned, that the mere fact that the 18th annual alumni meet was conducted in
My
March.
question is, if you cannot get an approval in your third year, how will you get it in your fourth year as a VP? You will not be able to do so. That is clear from your third year that you were not able to get an approval in your third year. You will not get it in your fourth year as well.
Let me complete my answer, sir. Sir, I request you to kindly complete your question once so that I can answer uninterrupted.
I am saying, okay, you are not able to listen or comprehend my question. I understand.
Sir, I am just mentioning. Kindly
Okay,
complete
please,
your
please,
question
I am
once
completing my question.
so that I am not interrupted in between while answering.
Okay. I understand that you were not able to comprehend my question because it was hard. But what I'm saying is, if you were not able to get an approval in...
Audience, kindly allow the panelists to ask the question and the candidate to answer.
Thank you. What I'm saying is, if you are not able to get an approval for one portfolio that you were supposed to get for, how can we expect that you do anything, that you get anything done in your fourth year as a VP? We would just expect you to not be able to get approvals and get nothing done.
Anyone if standing in the first three lines, sit immediately. Everyone.
Sir, as I have already mentioned that the 18th annual alumni meet was conducted after being scrapped in January proves the mere fact that we got the approval from the director for the conduction of this meet and successfully conducted it in spite of the ongoing pandemic across the country. And this thing proves my capability to deliver the responsibilities as a Vice President Technology Students Gymkhana if elected for the post.
Brahmjot, a few days back, you messaged me and my various other friend senators that you want a meeting with us. We reverted you back immediately, and you never had the courtesy to revert us back that you are not going to meet us or go and do a see you in single call. This is very arrogant behavior. We do not want this in our BP. And please don't smile. I have your message right now. Right
Even
now.
I
You are
sound
not
that
going to deny this
Brahmjot.
fact.
You have just seen my message, you haven't reverted.
You are behaving like this with senators. How will you going to behave with students?
You need not answer the question from this panelist since his question is over.
अरे मेरा तो आंसर कर यार, क्या सोच रहा है?
Sir, I tried contacting you via call, but your phone was not reachable, and hence I couldn't reach out to you. And I kindly request you to refrain making some baseless remarks and
Okay.
mislead the
Okay,
general
show
body.
me your call log. Show me your call log. Right now
Sir,
in front of your general
sir,
public. Show me your call log.
Sir,
Show me your call log. No, no, you are not going to
let
get
me
away like
complete
this.
my answer, sir.
You are going to show the call log.
Let me complete my answer, sir. Let me complete my answer, sir. Sir, sir, I
Follow-up
tried
is done.
reaching out to
Follow-up is
you.
done. One
Your
follow-up.
phone was
I'm
not
not able to hear you
reachable.
properly. Speak clearly.
Sir, I tried reaching out to you, but your phone was not reachable.
Hey, yaar, you
As
are
a
not going to
result,
get
I
away
could
like
not
this.
reach
Just
out to
show
you.
me a call log. This is
And-
not a follow-up. He's
and-
just merely repeating his answer.
And if
He's
you
merely
want to see
repeating
the
and
call
this is
logs,
merely repeating the
and-
question.
Only one
not a
follow-up.
follow-up.
And if you want to
This is
see the
not a
call
follow-up.
logs,
No.
and if you want to see the call logs, we can meet personally after my statement of purpose.
Show me.
Janka, please be seated. Let Brahmjot complete his statement of purpose.
If you have the guts, show them call log right now. Or if you
Sir.
tried reaching out to me on
Sir.
call, why didn't you reply on messenger?
Sir.
Why didn't you? Why didn't you?
Sir, let me complete my answer, sir. I have the sense not to waste the time of the general body who is here to witness my statement of purpose and not to see my call records. If you are interested,
Next question from the panelist. Next question from the panelist. Next question from the
Brahmjot,
panelist.
Brahmjot. So, Brahmjot, you have shown that you had a lot of hall positions in your first year, but you never became the general secretary for your hall. So you have either faked your achievements and work that we cannot verify, or it shows that you had no hall tempo, that you wanted to continue your work in your hall.
ma'am, in my third year stay at Lal Bahadur Shastri Hall of Residence, I was part of numerous activities. I was a member of the inter-hall table tennis team and the gold-winning march past team of Lal Bahadur Shastri Hall of Residence. Apart from that, I was also managing the intra-wing hall visits such as gully cricket, slow cycle race, basketball matches, and so on. And along with my involvements at Students Alumni Cell, I successfully managed my involvements at Lal Bahadur Shastri Hall of Residence as well, showcasing my multi-talenting skills.
Brahmjot, still for a period of 1.5 years, you had little to no attachment with your hall. How do you justify this?
Ma'am, ever since my first year stay at Lal Bahadur Shastri Hall of Residence, I was actively involved in various activities that have been stated in my statement of purpose as well. In the first year, I was a part of various inter-hall events, and in the second year, I also participated as a literary secretary at Lal Bahadur Shastri Hall of Residence and a member of the aquatics team of our hall. Apart from that, in the third year, as I already mentioned, I was a member of the inter-hall table tennis team and the gold-winning march past team, which clearly shows that I have been in touch with the hall and I am proud to be a Shastrian.
Hi, Jot. I do not have a question on your more than a question on the SOP that you just stated. I have a question on the behavior you have been putting forth on these panelists. Earlier, you were shouting at one of the panelists. Across the rest of the SOP, I have been having panelists on my left who I'm aware you know have been using profanity to somehow try and keep us from asking questions. All of these are reflections of your candidature. You have been shouting at panelists. You have been refusing to answer the questions. You have been refusing to listen to our questions. What is the guarantee that after you become the vice president, you will pay heed to any questions that come upon you? What is the guarantee that you will listen to even a single student of this institute or even give a damn about what their problems are? And please stick to answering my question. I do not have time for anything else.
Thank you for your question, sir. I also don't intend to waste the time of the general body witnessing my statement of purpose. And coming to your answer now, I have been involved in various activities at my Hall of Residence and at Students' Alumni Cell, where, as if you have clearly listened my statement of purpose, we brought in headspace for the mental well-being of the student community during the time of the pandemic. Other than that, being a wing representative, I looked after the general well-being of the members of my wing. This clearly shows my devotion towards serving the community and proves that if elected to the post of Vice President Technology Students Gymkhana, I'll be accountable to each and every student of the general body and take firm steps to raise their concerns and grievances and find solutions to them.
Brahmjot, the purpose of an SOP is to ensure that the students can see their VP candidates and how they perform under pressure. When pressure was applied on you, your first response was shouting at the source of pressure. When pressure was... My question is not over, Brahmjot. Hello? Yeah, my question is not over. Please wait. And when pressure was applied on you in terms of questions whose answers you were refraining from to answer, you just ended up saying whatever random nonsense came to your mind. This is the kind of candidate you are projecting in front of the entire student body. This is what I see. This is what the people here are seeing. Brahmjot, you have failed as a candidate. This is not a question. I'm passing the mic to Sarda.
Sir, I request the panelists to refrain themselves from making any baseless remarks.
Brahmjot, can you please tell us what is the difference between a hall president and a student senator?
Sir, a hall president under its jurisdiction looks after the welfare and well-being of the hall and its borders. But as a senator, one needs to take the responsibility of the student community of the entire institute and the issues pertaining to the institute. It is, as a senator, my responsibility is to look after the institute first, and as a hall president, my responsibilities is to take care of my hall of residence.
Brahmjot, in your statement of purpose, you mentioned that for Shastra and Utsav, you raised the sponsorship amount of 25,000. For what purpose that sponsorship amount was used?
Sir, I raised the amount of 25,000 rupees for organizing the Shastra Utsav in the academic year 2019-2020, which was utilized for giving refreshments to the participants and distributing prizes in the Shastra Utsav, that is the annual fest celebrated in the memory of Sri Lal Bahadur Shastri, organized by Lal Bahadur Shastri Hall of Residence.
Tell the question to him. Tell the question to him. Tell them. Then again others.
Brahmjot, in recently concluded open house, Students shouted, "Director resign." What is your stand whether such slogan should be used or not from the student side?
Sir, after the notification of mandatory calling back of students, the students had serious concerns and questions that they wanted to be addressed by the director and the administration of our institute. That is why our student representatives and the honorable director took a very wise decision of conducting an open house to have a discussion with the student body. And within the moment of heat, the students might have done something, but the intent behind that was not negative. They just wanted to have their concerns heard and answers to their queries. And looking after the concerns of the students, our honorable director made a very wise decision considering all the factors and made the examinations optional as online and offline and refused for mandatory calling back of students. And the open house ended at a positive note in good faith.
So Brahmjot, do you support the students' action of saying the slogans of director resign here in this public platform? Are you trying to say this?
Sir,
Like, you need not answer this question. This doesn't seem like a follow-up.
Sir,
the question
I
was,
always want to
entirely
support
different.
the student community, but the events that happened at the open house in the moment of heat, Sir, I always am supporting the student community, and the events that happened in the heat of the open house had no negative intent. It was just that the students wanted some answers to be addressed by the institute director, for which an open house was conducted, and a decision was made in good faith of the student community by our director.
Oh, hi Brahmjot. So, why have you mentioned along with in every statement of your SOP? Don't you have a single thing which you have done on your own, or are you mentioning everything just to cover up failures on your part of SOP and the things which you have done during your first years and second years?
Sir, I guess you have interpreted my statement of purpose in a very wrong way. I mentioned that I, along with my team, conducted all the events at Students Alumni Cell and various other involvements because I am an effective and dynamic team player and believe in taking my team members along with me and executing the things, moving together with everyone and achieving all the milestones, and not a person of an individualistic mindset.
Brahmjot, in the last Senate, there is a proposal of inclusion of LGBTQIA plus senator in the student Senate. Do you think that this should be included in the student Senate?
Sir, I believe that the hall president and the second Senate members of each hall of resident work tirelessly to raise the concerns and put forward the views of all the boarders of the respective halls of residences. And so they are enough to work for the welfare of the students of the respective halls of residence, and they have worked tirelessly in the past and will be working in the future as well in coordination with the Student Senate for the welfare of the student community of Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur.
Yeah. Thank you, Brahmjot, for putting forward your statement of purpose to the audience. You can take your seat.
Thank you, panelists and the general body.
Brahmjot, put forward your proposals.
Based upon my interaction with various students, I have identified some problems and framed the following proposals to solve them. Proposal 1, redefining mess structure. Aim, reconstruction of current mess fee structure to reduce the financial burden on students by establishing a hybrid prepaid and postpaid mess charge system in hall premises. Overview. At present, students are supposed to pay a fixed amount of money to the hall management center, irrespective of the fact they will eat the food provided at the mess or not. Students often are busy in their academics and tasks from different societies and bodies, which make them miss out on meals provided in the mess quite often, leading to an extra expenditure of the mess food that they never ate. This results in an additional monetary burden over the heads of the students, apart from their already substantial curricular and co-curricular dues. To solve this undermined issue, I plan to replace the old system with a new hybrid pre- and post-paid mess charge system. This new system will solve this issue to extra expenditure and will also make the mess functioning more efficient. I propose to establish a new prepaid and postpaid mess charge system. Proposal 2, streamlining placement process. Aim, to facilitate fellow students who are going to appear in CDC by providing them with a well-organized and user-friendly schedule about the different companies that will be coming to the campus and creating a customized timetable for all the activities for the companies they are eligible for. Proposal 3, modifying ERP to assist students pursuing higher education and students planning to go for higher education. Aim, to provide students opting for PhD or MS with a list of relevant positions at Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur and joint PhD programs and other foreign universities, and smoothen the process of applications by providing a tab in ERP similar to the CDC portal. Also, it has been observed that the guides involve the students in non-academic activities as well, resulting in additional burden on students. Proposal 4, KGP Navik, a super app for campus community. Aim, easing out the life of the student community of Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur. Kharagpur will help with the help of KGP Navik.
Brahmjot, regarding your proposal 1, you have proposed to change the mess structure of IIT Kharagpur. So the question is, why do you think that the existing mess structure is not satisfactory?
Sir, as per the current mess structure, even if a student misses out to eat food in the mess service at the hall of residence, he has already paid for that particular amount. But we propose to define a prepaid and a postpaid mess system in which the students will have to pay only if they eat in the messed facility provided by the hall of residence, which indeed helps in reducing the financial burden and the wastage of food across the messes.
Brahmjot, I have a question on our proposal 3, in which somewhere you mention about feedback system and its anonymity. So how will you make sure that the feedback system is anonymous? Because if it's not completely anonymous, then respective students might be targeted, and it will raise a serious concern for the students.
Sir, the concern raised by you is a very genuine one, and I have discussed with various stakeholders and the research scholars as well. The committee will have a subtle inquiry and silently proceed with the investigation. And in case the professor or the guide is held guilty after the subtle inquiry or investigation, a sudden and silent action will be taken against the faculty.
Hi Brahmajot. I want to talk about regarding proposal number 1. So basically you are trying to change the mess structure and basically reducing the financial burden on the student, right? So don't you think this will hamper the profit margins of contractors? And if yes, why would they move ahead with your model? And even if they do, how will you ensure that the quality of food is not compromised given that it is already substandard in our mess?
Sir, currently the mess that operate in Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, operate on zero profit basis. And under my proposal, I propose to have a prepaid and postpaid amount that will be paid to the mess contractors. Under this as well, in case the students do not visit the mess on a particular day, the basic cost that has been paid to the students will act as a profit margin for the contractors. And apart from that, the current mess, the pay amount, extra amount that will be required of the students who have consumed food in the mess will be paid to the contractors post the semester. This will ensure the proper quality of food provided within the mess facility.
Thank you, Brahmajot.
So, Brahmajot, in your proposal 3, you have used the words that there have been instances where due to irresponsible guidance, the research scholar students have had to unwillingly indulge in activities apart from their research, and the PhD goes on for many years. So, can you please comment on this statement? This is a very serious statement directed towards the professor of this esteemed institute.
Sir, I had no intent to harm the integrity of the esteemed professors of our institute. And the professors of our institute had proven their mettle in various domains of academia and excelled and taken the institute to newer heights. But unfortunately, based upon my interactions with research scholars, there were certain instances that happened in the past due to which such a committee should be formed to address the concerns and grievances of the research scholars.
Brahmajot, I have a question regarding your proposal 4, KGP NAVIC. Each candidate comes with a new application or new portal. Why you can't integrate it within Google Maps? How is this any better than Google Maps? What are you trying to propose? Are you trying to fool the general audience?
Sir, under my proposal of KGP NAVIC, we will be having a testimonial feedback system where the residents of the campus can give their views. And this is the basic setup of the application where we will be having information about various common spots around campus and their testimonials. But a greater expansion of the app aims to provide academic help to students and also for a live tracking of buses and the occupancy of the buses throughout the campus, which is, I feel, very important with the rising probability of having an offline semester in the upcoming academic year.
Okay, so Brahmajot,
As of now, the mess fees is completely collected in advance. Thus, HMC has a fund well in advance to buy material. If postpaid scheme is implemented, how will HMC manage to buy raw materials, and what and who are you putting this liability? That the 8,000 rupees that was above the 6,000 that you're mentioning, or whatever amount, that is the amount equal to thousands. And if you are considering HMC mess, this thousands of amounts of thousands of students will pile up. Who do you expect to take this liability of tens of lakhs and millions of rupees for a few months? Do you expect the administration to take it?
Sir, under my proposal, we have divided the payment into prepaid and postpaid modes. And the prepaid payment that we have set up is enough for setting up the basic requirements and operating process of the messes. And I also want to mention that the amount that overshoots from the basic amount after the semester will be paid by the students itself via ERP.
Hi, Brahmjot. So this is a slightly long question. I request you to pay attention to it because this is something which is very concerning for me. As of right now, all students go to the mess and everyone has the opportunity to take the same amount of food. In your first proposal, you went ahead and created a distinction between basic food items and special food items. Let me just remind you, as of right now, and this is a genuine data point, as of right now, the items you mentioned to be basic are only around 25% of the total cost per plate. What you are doing is you are forcing the students to bear 75% of the current cost, and let me just remind you, what you are doing is creating basic students and special students. Students who can afford these special items and students who cannot afford these special items. What you are proposing is creating a social divide within this community, and moreover, you are stripping away the nutrition of these students who are limited to having, due to their own lives, due to their economic strata, they can only have the basic food. Who are you as a candidate to make this choice, to create a distinction between students, to force students to give away the nutrition, to make students hate each other? Who are you? Who gives you the right to do this?
Thank you for your question, sir. But I believe you have failed to interpret the proposal and the aim that it is heading towards. We propose to split the mess charges into prepaid and postpaid and to reduce the financial burden of the students and the wastage of the food
Ramjot,
within the
please
mess
answer the
facility.
question. Please answer the question.
I in no way am promoting a social divide between the students on the basis of food, and I am only promoting that if the students eat within the mess, they'll have to pay for the charges, else not. It is as simple as that.
So, Brahmjot, this is another question regarding your proposal, your first proposal regarding to the mail structure. So, certain halls of residence already have a preference form in circulation, such as Sarojini Naidu Indira Gandhi Hall of Residence. But you have in the past shown that you failed to recognize representatives of Sarojini Naidu Indira Gandhi Hall of Residence as senators in front of multiple people, including those present in the panel. So do you think that mess structure in other halls is not worth knowing?
Ma'am, regarding this proposal, I have talked to numerous stakeholders, including the coordinating warden's mess at Hall Management Center and the mess warden at Lal Bahadur Shastri Hall of Residence. I've also got in touch with the contractor at Lal Bahadur Shastri Hall of Residence, and I have also contacted various students.
You do not care about the other hall.
Let me complete my answer, ma'am. I have contacted the coordinating warden mess, hall management center that oversees the mess facilities across all the halls of residences to have a perspective on a broader front. So I do care for
You do not care about the other halls board.
Let
they're
me complete
representing-
my answer, ma'am. I do care, and for that is why I approached the coordinating warden mess of Hall Management Center to have a broader opinion regarding my proposal.
Brahmjot, I'll start with a comment. Please sit down. Devki, can we start? Devki,
The audience we have informed multiple times. Despite that, some section of audience are following that and sitting. But I didn't understand why some section has been breaching the rules again and again. Like, sit. Please sit down. Please sit down so that we can continue. And Brahmjot can answer the questions of the panelists. Brahmjot? Panelist?
Brahmjot, I'll start with a comment and then I'll ask a question. Okay? I don't know how much time did you take to make these proposals. There is zero groundwork on every proposal. Let's consider your third proposal. There are two sections. Let's start with application portal. Okay. Have you even consulted a single foreign university that they will accept application through ERP? No central portal exists in the world for PhD application as it involves a lot of personalized choices and academic writings. How can ERP help in this as every university has its own application portal? And secondly, regarding the anonymous feedback system, you are just forcing professors to be not strict with non-productive students. You are creating a divide between research scholars and the professors. Please answer these questions on your third proposal. This is my question.
One question per panelist. Answer the first question,
Devki,
Brahmjot.
it is a question on one single proposal.
One
Please
question
let
per
him answer.
panelist.
Let him answer. Okay,
We need
if
to
he
value
knows.
the time of everyone as well.
Sir, I'm feeling really sad that the interpretation of my proposals is not reaching
Your
to the
expression
panelists.
state otherwise.
Let me complete my statement, sir. The panelists are unable to properly interpret the proposals and the groundwork that has gone into framing these proposals. Under this proposal of foreign universities to assist the students who are applying for PhD programs, we have various collaborations with other universities, and in case the university has collaborated with Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, will integrate the ERP system.
Have you
Let me
consulted
complete my
IR
answer.
cell? Have you consulted IR cell how they contact these different universities?
Yes, sir. We
Okay.
have
What is the
contacted
process? One panelist,
International
one
Relations
process,
Cell
one process.
regarding
One
this.
panelist, one
I have contacted International Relations Cell regarding
You have
this.
not. I have talked to every member of IR cell. I did more groundwork than your proposal.
One
Myself.
panelist, one question.
Sir, if you want to know, you can confirm. I have contacted Mr. Divyam Sharma from International Relations Cell regarding this proposal and the feasibility of the same. Kindly get your facts corrected.
Okay. Now answer my question. You are answering my question. It was just an interruption. Okay. Answer the question.
Answer the question. Answer, yaar.
Ramjot, are you willing to take up the main question?
I have already answered the question I
You
raised of
didn't.
the panelists.
Janta didn't.
You did not.
Don't lie blatantly, dude. Answer the question.
Don't make personal comments on the candidate.
Sir, I request
You
the
can clearly see
panelists
it was
to
no
refrain
personal
themselves from making baseless allegations in this public platform.
ठीक है मान लिया. So continuing one important point on your proposal one which Karamanya highlighted, and you conveniently avoided the question saying that you never intended to do to make a social divide, right? So from this one statement is I understood ki like you didn't even consider the impacts because you have done zero groundwork. So moving on to this same proposal, have you, I don't know whether you know this fact, given the fact that students will not be able to avail their loans for variable cost in their fee structure, and this post-paid jo MES system, this is actually a variable cost. So how can the students avail loans from different banks like PNB and SBI when they doesn't provide loans for variable fee structure? Okay? So basically your proposal make it impossible for students availing loans. So this indirectly affects the nutrition of the students who are getting the food. Please answer this question. And don't smile.
Sir, it was a very simple and straightforward proposal which the panelists are failing to understand. We proposed a prepayment
Please
and
explain your
post-payment.
proposal.
In the prepayment method, we had a
Ramjot,
basic charge.
first of
that
all,
was,
you
let me
mentioned
complete my answer,
panelists.
sir.
No, this is derogatory.
Let me
No.
complete my
He
answer,
mentioned
sir.
panelists.
Let me complete my answer, sir. Sir, just have some patience and let me complete my answer, please.
Completed with your answer? Yes, I'm ready. The same applies there also?
We had a prepaid system and a postpaid system. The prepayment will be made at the beginning of the semester, and based upon the number of days a particular student goes to the mess, the amount will be calculated and the amount will be paid after the semester.
Abramjot, I have one comment regarding the Abramjot, yeah, here. Bramjot, at least have the guts to answer the question the panelists have been asking from the very start of your soapbox. First of all,
Let's
second
ask
thing,
the question.
yeah, I'm telling. I just want to ask about the various stakeholders you have talked to when you were making this streamline placement procedure proposal, right? If you said you have written that it should be improved on ERP, I want to know the professor in charge of ERP. Logistics calendar, you are saying that it should be integrated inside ERP. So my question exactly is, if a student has to log in into ERP to view the logistics calendar, why should one do it? To be very precise and to be very honest, the placement scenario at IIT Kharagpur this year has been outstanding. So I don't think there is a need to, judge the credibility of the current Placecom team in managing the same, and do not propose something which is not at all required for the student community of IIT Kharagpur.
Sir, first of all, questioning the credibility of the placement committee members working tirelessly for the students is in a way demeaning.
We know it. I just acknowledged it, man. I just acknowledged it. I said that it had been outstanding. Please don't try to defy me. Please don't try to disrespect me. Please don't try to disrespect me.
Let me complete my answer, sir. Just have some patience. Let me complete my answer.
Answers is all I am waiting for. I am waiting for one single answer.
Are you over with the question, sir?
I have been over. Yeah. Please answer. in case you know it.
So, sir, regarding this proposal, I have contacted various placement committee members and the student body. The students pointed out that there were instances when taking deadlines from the notice board of MSTP was cumbersome and tiresome. So, consulting the placement committee members regarding a viable solution, we thought of implementing a logistics calendar into the ERP portal. For the same, I also contacted Mr. Siddharth from the ERP section regarding the feasibility and implementation of the same.
Brahmjot, I'm really curious to know one thing. Like, if none of the panelists sitting here is able to interpret your proposals, the problem is not with the panelists, the problem is there with your proposals. And now I'll go ahead with my question. So, and my question is simply on your proposal 4. My question is simply on your proposal 4.
Panelists,
I have a question on my proposal 4. I am asking my question. I am asking my question. I am asking my question. I am asking my question, dude. I am asking my question. Please sit down. I am asking my question. Brahmjot, I have a question on your proposal 4. I have a question on your proposal 4.
Go on, sir.
Yes. In your proposal 4, as already mentioned by another panelist, that Google Maps, as already mentioned by another panelist, that Google Maps is a substitute of Locate KGP, and apart from that, Study KGP is also redundant because Library IIT Kharagpur provides all the question papers. And if you are going ahead with the offline semester, your focus is on tracking bus activity rather than focusing on major problem like lack of accommodation. You are focusing on tracking bus activity. Is this your proposal?
Sir, I believe that the proposal that was proposed of KGP Navic app is very much for the benefit of the student community. And each and every aspect covered in it is in a way helpful for the student community of Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur. And there has been proper groundwork that has gone into it to frame the proposals and coming up with the solution.
This is not the answer, Brahmjot. I really wanted you to focus upon the major problem, and you're focusing upon tracking bus activity. Is tracking bus activity a solution right now, Brahmjot?
No follow-up and no personal comments. Yeah, Asta put forward. Put forward.
Brahmjot, I wanted to know who the advisor of HMC is for your first proposal, and did you get a heads up on the feasibility of the proposal from them?
Ma'am, I contacted the coordinating warden mess of Hall Management Center, that is Professor Amit Shaw and Professor Dilip Kumar Swain regarding the feasibility of the proposal.
You did not answer my question. My question was, do you know who the advisor of HMC is, and did you contact them for feasibility of your proposal?
Ma'am, as I've already mentioned, that I've contacted the coordinating warden mess at Hall Management Center.
Please don't refrain
Let
from
me complete my answer,
the question
ma'am.
that you were
Let
asked.
me complete
You
my
don't,
answer.
if you don't know the answer, just
Ma'am.
accept it. Do you know who the advisor of HMC
Please have
is?
the patience to listen to my answer. Please have the patience. I have contacted the coordinating warden mess at Hall Management Center.
I did not ask
Mess warden at Lal Bahadur
Do you know the
Shastri
advisor of HMC or
and
not?
various contractors regarding the feasibility of this proposal.
Brahmjot, would you care to name the advisor of HMC?
No follow-ups and one
He doesn't know. He doesn't know.
No follow-ups and...
Hi Brahmjot. For your proposal 3, I have just one question. First is that what is the feasibility of your anonymous feedback system? Being an RS, I can tell that when anyone is trying to get admitted to a particular department or particular under one supervisor, one can easily reach out to a particular the students that are currently pursuing PhD. So what is the feasibility of your anonymous feedback system if such kind of reach out is already possible?
Ma'am, you have a very genuine concern that needs to be addressed. And based upon my interaction with various stakeholders, that is the research scholar students and the research scholar representative, Mr. Amit Kumar Singh, I have found a probable solution for the same as well under my proposal. The investigations and the complaints received by the
I am
committee.
asking the feasibility. Why it's required? Why one can easily reach out to any of the seniors and get the feedback easily?
Ma'am, based upon my interaction with Mr. Amit Kumar Singh, I got to know that various complaints have been brought into his notice.
You understand that this is the only problem of research community. No other problem exists.
No, ma'am, that is not what I meant to say. I have contacted Mr. Amit Kumar Singh and got to know that various complaints that the research scholars have raised and brought in the light of the research scholar representative, but none of them have been officially reported due to the consequences that the research scholars fear that they might have to face after the repercussions of the decision that are made. So this is the requirement of having an internal committee. Ma'am, the proceedings of the internal committee will be silent and under the cover. It will never be revealed the identity of the student that is involved.
Ramjot, hello. Who will regulate these questions like the complaints given in the anonymous platform? Who will regulate these complaints?
Ma'am, the complaints that will be registered.
Continue.
Ma'am, the complaints will be registered via the feedback form that will be given to the research scholars, and based upon that, the investigation will be done by the internal committee. After the investigation, only if the guide is found guilty, proceedings will be taken and a strict action will be taken against the guide, and we will be empowering the internal committee to do the same.
Thank you, Brahmjot, for putting forward your proposals. You can have your seat.
Thank you, panelists.
Aryans, Brahmjot and Gaurav, this question is for all three of you. I'm asking this question on behalf of
Panelists,
Awaz.
please be seated. Panelists, please be seated.
This question is for all three of you, right? I'm asking this question on behalf of Awaz Student Media Body IIT Kharagpur. My question is, in the recently concluded open house, we saw a lot of allegations on both sides because of miscommunication between the administrations and students. Being a student representative, what would you do to channelize and ensure proper communication between the stakeholders?
Sir, as a vice president, one needs to bridge the gap between the institute administration and the student community, for which one needs to be well aware of the issues of the students and the concerns that they have. And at the same time, one needs to convey the same in front of the institute administration to maintain transparency and take steps to solve the queries of the students and initiate two-way conversation and lead to healthy decisions for the entire institute.